Okay, so now let's try and use the try catch syntax. So let's comment this out, and underneath here, use try catch syntax. Let's give an example. Let's say we have on a server some data, some JSON data. So I'm going to define it just here. So let's create a variable let JSON, and we're going to assign it to some JSON data. So this would be within here. We're going to have our key value pairs of name, Norbert. This should be double quotes. What am I doing? Okay, so name Norbert, and let's give also a age to Norbert, age 35. Okay, so this will be, oh, what am I doing? What am I doing? This will be our data from the server. Okay. Now, when we want to use data, JSON data, we need to convert it, and we do this, convert it to a string, and we do this by using parse, as we learned. So we're going to assign it to a new variable. Let's say the user is, well, that user up there, and we want to grab onto the data. So let's do JSON dot parse, and we're going to parse our JSON data. Okay, so this is our converted data. So now let's use it. So now user should be an object. Why are you throwing an error? Add position, unexpected token. What's your problem? 86. Wait, what? There's no problem here. So alert. And I want to alert user dot name. Oh wait, I do have an error. This should be here, and you shouldn't be there. Okay, now it's working. So user dot name alerted Norbert. There he is. Let's also do age, and we have first of all our name and then our age. Okay, so this is working perfectly. But now let's say we will have an error. So let's do with error. So I'm going to declare another JSON file. So I'm going to name this JSON2, and I'm going to create now another JSON file. Let's say, so this would be a syntax error. Syntactically, this JSON file is wrong, and as you can see, I'm creating it wrong. I even type in my name wrong. Oh my god, Norbert Meinhardt. There we go. So let's do a try catch. Try, and let's see, let user, and we're going to convert it from JSON using parse, and we're going to create our JSON2. Okay, so this is our data, and now we want to alert within our try our user dot name. Okay, so this shouldn't work. As you can see, it's already throwing us an error. Now let's catch it. So let's do catch, and we want to catch the event. So this is where the execution will jump now, because we're encountering up here an error. So the execution jumps down here, and here it should do following. So it should alert boy, alert. Let's say server error, and also alert a error dot name, and also alert a error dot message. So let's try this. So no, I don't want this. We don't want this at all. Let me comment this out, and let's hit save again. This is going to run through it now. Actually, I think I need to stop it. because I had too many alerts. No, now it's working. So let's hit save again. So server error, server error, because we have a syntax error here. So let's go with okay, syntax error for the name of the error, and the message is unexpected token n in JSON at position 2. So this is position 1, and here comes position 2. If I would change this, let me change very quickly, copy it, put it down here, and let's say within name and Norbert, and let's just delete this one. And here, and now let's try this again. So hit save, server error, still error. Why? Oh Jesus, this should also be in a string. Norbert. Okay, so as you can see, we have no error. Okay, so as you can see, we have no more errors because we have now a correct syntax for our JSON file. If I would replace it with this one and hit save, then we have our server error, syntax error, unexpected token, and in JSON at position 2. So this is basically how we would use our try catch. Okay guys, so see you in the next video. Bye bye.